Okay, after much ado, got the rig back. They didn't do much to it because they didn't have time. And so what I've been doing is working on the generator. And I have done a whole bunch to it. Got a piece of high pressure fuel line that I use to siphon out seafoam. Siphoned out seafoam. And mixture of that and gasoline. Basically hooked it up right up to the filter there. I bypassed the filter and ran it down into one of these bottles here. Basically primed the carburetor with a lot of seafoam, cleaned it out. I also got the needle valve. I did that. There's two needle valves on this one. There's one on the side and there's one in the back. I pulled them both out completely, blasted them with carb cleaner because I really dreaded trying to take this whole carb out. And I've gone through and I've literally just blasted the daylights out of it. Took a while to purge it. It was backfiring. Then it was blowing some smoke. Now you can see it's running clean. She's not blowing a lot of exhaust out of the tailpipe anymore. And I'm basically running her and see how she'll hold up. I still hear a little bit of missing every once in a while. I've been adjusting the needle valve just a little bit. Just, turn them all the way down, then turn them back a turn and a half. The back needle valve, if you open it up too much, you turn it counterclockwise, you start to pull it out, it starts surging. The governor starts surging back and forth, and as you tighten it up, it stops surging and then it kind of evens out and holds to where it needs to be. And then with the other needle valve, that's the lean, rich mixture. So, I tighten it up all the way, backed it off a turn and a half, and then playing with that a little bit because I literally stuck down a 16 ounce. Well, been running the generator for a little while now. At least I hope that's the generator. Yes, that is the generator. All right. And it's still running things inside the RV. My son is still raking leaves out in the yard. And this generator is definitely running a lot smoother than it was the last video you guys listened to, watched. Definitely been tamed quite a bit from what it was, which I'm very happy to hear. Because goodness knows a trip to Florida with no genset is not going to be a fun thing. So, I've got a few things running in here. I've got this thing running, but not on AC, just fan. I've got the TV running. Let's see what the battery charge says. It still says half. What's up with that? That's not good. That's another whole... See, and then it says 3/4. Like if I hold it down, I don't know. Just not really happy with that portion of things, but do what we need to do. Got the fan thing running here, but you know what? I don't have the guard on it. I got to get a filter back on there. Almost hit my hand the last time. This thing here, should probably run this and let it run on defrost. And do that and let it run like that for a few minutes. And see if it freaks out the generator. Because I gotta tell you, getting a little nervous, getting towards the, you know, the trip here. My son cleaned out the entire Dometic fridge. Got it cleaned up. Whew! I can smell that Clorox. Wow! Yep. Just to let it dry out. Gonna let the doors wide open. It's a lot of drying off. A lot of paper towels are needed inside there. And I could hear the generator, little haltering a little bit with the, and it goes up a little bit, but it's evening out. It's not as bad as it was before. It would almost die when this thing was running. So it's good that I can hear that it's obviously under load a little bit more, but in the meantime, it's still running. Here it goes again. Yeah, so it dips a little bit, but then it continues to run, but it doesn't stay lower, which is good. So I got the furnace I need to, oh, you can see the hole to the outside. Hello, outside. So I'm going to get that done. I have got it here. I've got the engine opened up. I'm going to put the spark plugs, new spark plugs on the driver's side, because I'm suspecting I'm not getting enough spark on that side. I'm going to fix some of these things, like this crazy one that's kind of tight here. I don't like that. Let's see if I can get a longer one on that and get things running a little more smoothly with the engine. All in anticipation of our road trip next week. And so I will get this thing rolling here momentarily.